So hi guys, I am Deepak and today in this video I will show you a quick tutorial on how to upload Instagram photos using your PC. So let's get started. The procedure is same for every browser. I'll be illustrating on Chrome. Simply open the browser, visit instagram.com and log in with your credentials. Then left click anywhere on the screen and select the inspect option. Then a new toolbar would appear in front of you. Then click on Toggle Device Toolbar. It opens the mobile view of Instagram. Then select any mobile device you like from the options. Then refresh the website. And now you see the add image option. Then you can select any photo that you want to upload on Instagram. You have all the settings that you have on the mobile app. You can select any filter, you can crop your image, etc. Click on the next button, you have the option to write the caption, tag people, add location and all that stuff. Then you can simply upload it. So this is how you can upload photos on Instagram using your PC. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you guys in the next one.